Hi everybody. 2 points to note before we start. First, this video assumes you can read hiragana. The second is a memory tip. Researchers say you remember stuff better when you say it out loud, and we organized this video to make use of that little brain quirk. When you see a pause button with a question mark appear, pause the video and answer the question out loud. When the pause button has a talking face, again pause the video and repeat the example out loud. This will help you remember better. This video explains 2 Japanese patterns using okage and sei. These are intermediate level patterns that come up in the N3 grammar section of the Japanese language proficiency test. Okage indicates the cause of something good. It's often translated as thanks to, due to, or because. Here's an example.
掃除機や洗濯機のおかげで家事が楽になりました。
Okay, this diagram shows the grammar. Use the plain form of a noun, adjective, or verb before okage. After a noun, use no or dearu. And after a na adjective, use na or dearu. So, no more grammar. Let's try some practice examples.
"健康的な食事と運動のおかげで痩せました。
誰のおかげで大きくなったと思ってるの？手伝ってもらったおかげで早く終わった。おかげさまで助かりました。
Sei indicates the cause of something bad, but it's often translated as just due to or because. Here's an example.
雨のせいで花火が中止になりました。
So both okage and sei have the same grammar. Use the plain form of a noun, adjective, or verb before sei. After a noun, use no or dearu. And after a na adjective, use na or dearu. So, fun stuff coming up. Don't forget to say the examples out loud.
パソコンのせいか目が悪くなってきた。ゆうべ飲みすぎたせいで気持ちが悪い。人のせいにするな。
そっち大きくない？
気のせいだよ。
Okay, so this video looked at 2 patterns from the ebook Natural Japanese at a Glance N3 Patterns, available from Amazon and Apple Books. Most people like the Apple edition for iPads or iPhones because you can play all the sound files from inside the actual book. As always, please give us a like, and if you want to hear about new videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.